Okay, the name of the set is C++ program. Question is, Rita is creating a C++ program for a project. The program has to be designed in a way that it categorizes number in a cell of a square layout of 5 cross 5 grid as right, up, left, up and down visible cells. Now this is left, right? And the cells which are not categorized as either right, left, up or down visible cells are called Dud cells. Rows are numbered from 1 to 5. Now we understand that these are rows. This is row 1 and row 2 and so on. And columns from left to right. This is column 1, column 2, column 3 and so on. Now further it is known that a cell with the number A in a row is right visible if all the numbers in the cell to the right of the number are strictly smaller than A. A cell with number B is left visible if all the numbers in the cells to the left of the number B are strictly smaller than B. As in, so if we take one example, so see this 7, if we talk about this 7, now all the numbers to the left of 7, we have only one number which is 1. Now this one is definitely less than 7. So we can say that this cell 7 is left visible. That is, we can see this cell from the left. Now since we have a 9 over here, which is greater than 7, so this cell 7, this number 7 is not right visible. अब इसको इस तरह से समझ लीजिए कि this is the height of the building. Obviously 1 height की building है तो आप 7 height की building को देख सकते हैं. So this is visible from left. But if we have a building with height 9, so this 7, we cannot see this 7 from right hand side. So this is not right visible. So इस तरह से set दे रखा है, and the same goes for up and down visible as well. A cell is said to be up visible as per the condition. A cell C with a cell with number C in column is up visible if all the numbers in the cell to the upper side of the number C are strictly smaller than C. And D is down visible if all the numbers in the cell to the lower of number in the same column is strictly smaller than D. So I hope आपको clear होगा what is left visible, what is right visible and so on. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत इजी सेट लग रहा है देखने में. इस पे जो भी क्वेश्चंस रहने वाले हैं, यदि हम पहले ही इन सारे सेल को कैटेगराइज कर लेते हैं तो आई थिंक क्वेश्चन काफी इजी वे में हम सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. तो लेट अस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू फिगर इट आउट कि कौन से सेल कौन सा विजिबिलिटी रखते हैं. सो इसी में हम ट्राई करते हैं, इसी में हम लिखते हैं. सो दिस वन, सी दिस द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर दैट वी हैव, ये कोई सा भी विजिबिलिटी नहीं रखता है, राइट? Now this 7, now this 7 is visible from left hand side, so this is left visible. It is not visible from right hand side. Up visible कह नहीं सकते, we don't have any number to the up of 7, and down visible नहीं है because we have a 9 over here. So this is only left visible. Now 6, now 6 is not left visible because we have 7 over there. Up visible हो नहीं सकता है. Right visible is not because we have a 9 over here, जो इसको right visible होने से रोकेगा. And down visible, yes, it is down visible. We don't have any number to the down of 6 which is greater than 6 or even 6, right? Sorry. So 6 is down visible. Now 9 is the highest number that we have, so it is definitely left visible, it is definitely right visible, it is definitely down visible, but it is not up visible because we don't have any number to the up of number 9. Now this 3 is, I think, we can check for two visibilities only. This is the corner cell. Left visibility not there because we have 9, 6, 7. So down visibility not there. So none. Now this 3 again. Now this is up visible because we have only one number to up of 3 and which is smaller than 3. This is not down visible, not left. Left is not applicable and not right as well because we have 9. Now this 9 is again the highest number. So this is left visible. This is up visible. This is down visible, this is right visible. This cell has all the 4 types of visibility. Now we check for 5. Now this 5 is not left visible because we have 9. It is not up visible because we have 6. It is definitely right visible because both the numbers to the right of 5 are 2 and 1 smaller than 5, and it is definitely down visible also. Now this 2 is only right visible, none other. This one is none. Now this 7 is definitely up visible, it is not left visible, is not applicable. Right visible is not because we have 8 over there, and not down visible as well because we have 9 over here. So this is only up visible cell. Then cell number 8 is left visible. It is not up visible because we have 9. It is definitely right visible and it is down visible as well. 4 is, I think, down visible only. This 5 is again, no, like this is not visible from any of the side. Left से नहीं है, top से नहीं है, right से नहीं है, bottom से भी नहीं है, तो none. The 6 is visible from up, visible from down. Right is not applicable, left is not eligible. This 9 is again having an up visibility and down visibility, right visibility, but not left. Left is not applicable in this case. This 5 is definitely not having left, not having up, not having right as well because of 8. It is having only down visibility. 3 is down visible only. 8 is down visible. It is not up visible. It is not left visible. It is definitely right visible. 2, none of the visibilities. Now this 6 is right visible. This 1 is none of the visibility. 2, again none. 3, I think none. And then we have 4, again none. So basically we have categorized all the cells which are, whether they are visible by up or down or left or right. Now let us move to questions part. How many cells in the grid can be categorized as only one type of visible cell? Only one type. So we have this is only one type. 2, then we have 3, 4, then 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 such cells which can be categorized as only one type of visible cell. Next question. Which of the following is true for any cells with number 9 in the grid? So number 9, we need to check for number 9 only. So this is one having number 9. This one is having number 9. ये वाला 9 वाला है. And so these three are the cells having number 9. The cell is categorized as left, right, up and down visible cell. Yes, but that is not true for this one cell. Right? The cell can be categorized as at least 3 types of cells. Now you can see that any of the 3 nines are definitely 2 of the 3 are 3 type and the one is 4 type visible cell. So this is definitely true. At least 3 to aana hi aana hai. Now at most 3 is wrong again. Why? Because this is 4 types. Exactly 3 is wrong again because this is 4 types visible cell. So answer to this question is option B. We can define 2 Dud cells. Now Dud cells are those cells, as we have seen in the question part itself, which are not visible by anywhere, right? So in the 5th column, if we talk about 5th column, so in 5th column we have 4 Dud cells. So no, this is not correct. In the 3rd row, this is 3rd row. In 3rd row we have how many? Only 1 Dud cell is there. 4th column, this is 4th column. In 4th column we have 5 and 3. These are 2 Dud cells. 4th column is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is true about this grid? Each row has a cell which can be categorized as at least 2 type of visible cell. Now let us check for each of the rows. So this is the first row. At least 2 type ka hona chahiye. So yes, we have a 9 which is 3 types that satisfies the condition. In row 2nd, again we have 4 types, so that satisfies the condition. In row 3rd, we have 3 types that satisfies the condition. 4th also we have 3 types, but in 5th row koi bhi aisa cell nahi hai which is 2 types visible. So this is wrong. Moving to second option, each column has at least 2 cells which can be categorized as equal number of types of visible cells. Each column has at least 2 cells which can be categorized as equal number of types of visible cells. C. So this is column 1. This is Dud cell. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है. So these two are one type visibility cell are also. So these 3 are same category. Now in column 2, so we have this cell is 1 type visible, 1 type visible, 3 type visible, 4 type visible, and Dud cell. Right? Then let us check for column number 3. So in column 3, this is 1 type visible, 1 type visible, 1 type visible. So that satisfies the condition. Now let us check for column 4. In column 4, this is 3 type visible, 1 type visible, 2 type visible, and these 2 are Dud cells. So यहाँ पर ये condition satisfy नहीं हो रही है, equal number of visible cells नहीं आ रहा है. Each row has at least 1 Dud cell. So in row 1 we have Dud cells, yes. In row 2 also we have Dud cell. In row 3 also we have dud cell. In row 4 also we have dud cell. In row 5 also we have dud cell. So this is definitely correct. In each row we have at least one dud cell, and that's it. We are done. So category wise बोला जाए, easy category. Time wise बोला जाए, you need maximum to maximum 8 to 10 minutes to score a 12. चारों क्वेश्चन सही होंगे, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन थे. तो ये सेट ओवरऑल वाज क्वाइट इजी टाइप्स. आई होप ये आपको क्लियर होगा अच्छे से. थैंक यू.